So, because of climate change, due to action of humans, a possible solution to or to mitigate or minimize the 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 increasing the growing heat the growing temperature of Earth would be to make a shadow on where happens El Nino and El Niña. So we would make on space or outer space above our Earth orbit a shadow on where is the location of El Nino and El Niña. And so I think it's a good spot because El Nino and El Niña have a great influence of Earth's climate. And so if you could make a shadow there, that probably would be ideal place to make shadow above the Earth above Earth's surface uh, in Earth's orbit, to make a shadow on Earth. That may be a possible good location to make a shadow. However, it will have to be a big shadow, like maybe cover all area of El Nino, El Niña. Although, however, it not maybe will not be good for life on the oceans. Maybe I don't know, or maybe the shadow will not be full shadow. Maybe we just irradiate infrared, or maybe almost all light. Maybe just maybe just a few light will pass, enough to see, or maybe all of it, all of the light. We make a, we will shade all the light from Earth. Another two possible locations besides where El Nina is, it's on south. That is on the South Pacific. Besides that location, it's on the poles, on North Pole and on South Pole, and on Antarctica. That maybe we could increase the increase being even more color, or maybe in all three locations. Maybe we could put shadows on North Pole, South Pole, and El Nino, or where it not is. But maybe that if you do that, maybe it's too much. Maybe I don't know. But so if you could make a shadow on Earth, maybe where the location of El Nino and El Nina would be a great solution, or the poles, North Pole and South Pole. However, I don't know if that is possible, if we can actually do it, because it have to be a big area, much more bigger than the International Space Station. It will be like for miles or kilometers, very big, bigger than a country. And so maybe you can do it one day. Maybe that's one solution, part of solution, like in the worst case scenario solution. Even now, if you can do it, we will decrease the temperature of Earth, and so that will be better. But it's very technical challenge, and so I don't know if you can do it and what materials we would use. Maybe aluminium, maybe other type of material, and have to be very big, and we have to put that thing on space, on outer space. Just I don't know, maybe I don't know how many kilometers. Maybe 100,000 kilometers above the surface of Earth. I don't know. And so, what my point is, maybe you should put a shadow where El Niño is, and so we could tackle the climate change. Another two possible location is where is um, the south and the north pole of Earth. So that will be maybe three good spots to put a shadow on Earth. However, also use renewable energies, stopping using so much oil with our economies, less pollution, going vegan, um, not, not sure what else. Everything we can to increase the climate change, to stop the climate change. So that are my thoughts. Thank you for listening.